draw toolbar in Autocad. First, line and polyline. Let's start with line command. You can directly select line command in this toolbar, or type L and select this line. Specify a first point. Read this and specify this first point. Select this. If you want a straight line on this ortho mode, only create a straight line. If you want to create inclined line of this and draw this type of inclined lines. Okay. Next is how to create a polyline. Select this polyline option. Specify a starting point. Select this and start ortho mode. Click this. If you want to create an arc, select this arc option. In this, select this, create an arc as per your requirement. If you want to create an arc of this ortho and make like, if you want, select this point, select this line, select this. If you want to convert this line into arc, click on this line and go to this and convert to arc and specify a distance as per your requirement. 250 enter. Similarly, convert this arc into line. Click on this, go to this symbol and convert to line. Similarly, go to this option, convert to line. Go to line. Similarly, go to convert to arc. And okay. Thank you friends. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.